Hi traders, welcome back to JJP Trading Academy. I am very thankful for every traders who have subscribed to our channel till now and continuously supporting us, because continuously we could not post the videos because of some of the works we have. Even though you are having a good support with us, it's very happy to see you all, because you are all here to make money with the automation trading service as well as WhatsApp tip service from us. So I wish thanks for each and every subscribers and followers of our JJP Trading Academy. And here I wish every traders to follow our Telegram channel and WhatsApp tip service and WhatsApp. Then only you can get what are all the updates we do today, what are all the updates we do tomorrow, and every day we will be consistently uploading what are all the service and our clients working with our automation trading service. Every details of the backtest details and what are all the updates of the strategies we do, we will be updating in our Telegram channel first as well as WhatsApp. So I wish every traders who are seeing this video to attach with us in WhatsApp. Then only you will be continuously getting updates of our services. And previously we have discussed about many automated trading strategies, and currently also our technical team is working to make the perfect and high accuracy and high return strategies which is continuously deployed with the historical market and how the historical market has reacted. As per this, we are getting the backtest with the TradingView platform. So almost TradingView also providing a more backtest nowadays, almost 10 years backtest also we are seeing for some of the strategies, which is working very fine. And most of the traders consistently deploying the strategies, our clients are deploying consistently. That is what we needed. So if you are a trader, you could not deploy a strategy manually by deploying the strategy consistently, but nowadays in automation it is very easy, simple process. Just log in with the morning and consistently deploying the strategy and seeing the backtest of the strategy. As per that, we are deploying the strategy consistently. That is what we need. So actually every traders who are working with our automation trading service, now they know how the strategy is reacted for the previous historical market and how the market is reacting now. Live they are seeing with the options, because most of the traders are struggling to make a profit. Even though they know the strategy perfectly, they could not deploy the strategy because choosing the strike price is one of the time it is taking, as well as we need to see whether the market condition is satisfied our condition or not. So it is everything, every process is taking a time to manual trade, but actually a fraction of seconds the automation is happening. It's very advanced to the humans, because humans are having some of the emotions even in trading. We will not be having the best risk reward, even though we know that this much reward or this much risk we should note, but perfectly we are not maintaining in manual trade. But in automation trading we are perfectly doing this, every process, risk management, position sizing, everything we are doing automatically. And before investing you should decide only one position sizing, and as per that consistently trade with the same position sizing. That is what more important. You should not change the position sizing for each and every day. So that will also affect the strategy. So this every process we have discussed in the previous videos, and we have also posted some of the pattern videos which is useful for learning as a beginner. And we have also discussed many information about stock market in our YouTube channel. I hope every traders have given a good support and response till now in our YouTube channel. I need all your support till the final. Whatever post we are doing, we just be connected with us, and we need. If you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. In this video we are going to discuss about a new advanced settings which we have not done with the Tradetron. So now these settings will be helpful for each and every traders who are working with the Tradetron of our strategy, because in Tradetron in every weekly expiry we will be changing up to the next week, right? So that process need to be taken for every Thursday. We will be changing this process for weekly expiry. We should change to next week expiry, because the option decay is more high. To avoid this option decay, we have done up and came up with a new solution. That is, in Tradetron there is a solution for advanced settings. So through this settings you can easily change the weekly expiry, current week expiry to the next week only while trading with Thursday. So this process can be done in Tradetron itself. This automatic process, no need to update each and every week. So this solution we have came up. So in this video we will be discussing totally about this. So first of all I will be opening with the Tradetron. So once you open the Tradetron, you can just sign up with the Tradetron. If you have already signed up, then just sign in with the email ID and password and just verify the captcha and click sign in button. That's all. So once you sign up, we have done every strategies. What are all the strategies we have done with you in the strategies? If you go open with the my strategy, you will be getting up all our strategies what we have done for the syntax code. So just to open the syntax code with an edit. So for example, Bank Nifty strategy we have done automation. So for this strategy, click on the edit button. So once you open the edit option, you will be scrolling down. Scroll down till the last. Set number 2, universal exit, everything you just scroll down. You will be getting an advanced setting. Scroll down till advanced setting. And now you will be getting an option in the advanced setting. You will be having many settings that check conditions every. So this need to be in a check continuously. So this is what default we have done. Check continuously will be there. Everything is okay. Then now you just go to the rollover on expiry. So this is what the option which will be doing the changing the current week expiry to the next week on the expiry date. So it knows the expiry date, what is the current symbol you are following. So Bank Nifty we are following right now. So Bank Nifty expiry date, during the expiry date we no need to change manually. So previously we are changing the expiry date here. So in the strategy set number itself we are changing the expiry here only. So every traders we in the weekly expiry date we will be changing it to the next week expiry. What are all the next week expiry we have, we will be changing, right? So no need to do this process, automatically we can do right now with this rollover option. The rollover on expiry option will be changing the current week expiry to next week in the weekly expiry date itself. So once you click on the rollover option, don't rollover button, and click on next week. Okay, if you are trading with the intraday strategies, then go with the next week and change the timing to 9:15. So once the market is started itself, now this rollover on expiry option will be changing the current week expiry to the next week, so that we no need to make any changes with the strategies on every week expiry. Every week expiry we will be changing and updating, right? So that process no need to be happened right now. So just click on the next week expiry and 9:15 timing. So this 9:15 time itself, our strike price will be changed to next week expiry on the Thursday market, that is expiry market. So no need to make any changes nowadays. Just this setup is enough for the intraday traders. If you are a positional trader, just click on the next month and change it to default 15. It will be there. So just let it be, because on the weekly expiry, if you are on the monthly expiry basis, we will be trading with the positional strategies. In that positional strategies, you just click on 15 and 00, that is 15, that is 3 o'clock. In 3 o'clock, now our expiry will be changed to the next month expiry. That is what we need for each and every strategy. For positional, we will be trading up with the future, right? So in the future expiry, it will be directly switching on to the next month expiry, so that we are keeping next month. If you are intraday trader, the previous setup what I have done is next week and 9:15. That's enough. Okay. So this is what the new advanced, it is already available, but now we have done with the setup. So easily you can no need to change up with the previous settings and no need to update. Just a single update is enough for the lifetime. What are all the consistently you are trading, you can just deploy by the demat. So now once you're done with the changes, click on update button. That's it about our strategy. So this is what the new update, which will be easily useful for every traders in weekly expiry days, and it will be avoiding you the changes you are doing in the morning. So thank you traders, thanks for watching this video. I hope this update will be useful for every Tradetron users. And if you are also going for a new Tradetron, we will be doing this setup automatically for you, and we will be doing the full syntax code. So full syntax code in the Tradetron will be done by us. You just need to get access with our TradingView strategy, and you just connect your demat. What are all the process to connect your demat in Tradetron? Also our team will be helping you to get access with our fully automated trading strategy. Almost 4 strategies we are giving with automation to get access with our high accuracy and high returns and high performance strategies and automation. You can get access right now with WhatsApp us right now on 7200556708. I will be meeting you in the next video. Thank you, traders.